What's inside my magic box? Magic box, magic box. Can you guess the sound that we are learning today? What sound can you hear at the start of these words? Igloo, insect, iguana, invitation. Have you guessed it? Yes, that's right. Today's sound is I. Listen to the sound I, I, I. Now it's your turn. Can you make the I sound? Very good. Can you think of some other words which have the I sound in them? You could go for a walk around your house, garden, or school and look for things which start with the I sound. I wonder what else you might find. Let's read some words with today's sound. Pretend to push the button under each letter and make the sound. I, t. Now let's blend these sounds. That means we need to push them together. Ready? It. It. Very good. Now let's look at this word. Pretend to push the buttons as you make the sound. I, n, k. Now let's blend these sounds. Ink, ink. Do you think you can have a go on your own this time? What's the first sound? Let's look at this sentence. The first word is one of our tricky words, and the same word appears later on in the sentence. Can you remember it? Pretend to push the buttons under the other words to help you. The ink is in the pen. Let's learn how to write this sound. First, watch the video. Put your finger in the air, draw a straight line down and flick. Then put a dot at the top. You could try writing this sound with chalk outside, on a whiteboard, or with a pencil on paper. Can you try writing these words? Sip, pin, sit. Pretend to be a robot and move your arms as you say each sound. This will help you to write a word. Write the first sound you can hear, then say the word again slowly before you record the next sound, and so on. This is called segmenting. Can you think of a sentence for each of these words? I wonder if you could write one of your sentences. How to be a sentence superhero. Say your sentence out loud so you know what you want to write. Say your sentence again slowly and count the words. This will help you remember what comes next. Write the sounds that you can hear. Use a capital letter at the start of your sentence and a full stop at the end. Leave a finger space between each word. Wow, you are flying! Keep up the good work.